Hey everyone, Ella Belucha Love Slots. We're here at Yamava in the high limit room. Just triggered the bonus on Magic Pearl. So we got $100 ball to start. See how we do. Come on, get that money. Alright, that'll work. Anything works. We'll take it. Alright, anything to keep us in the game. We love it. Hey, let's go. Okay, Mr. Elabilita, this is up to you. Get it. That's it, but that's okay. I put in just $100, so let's see what we've got here. I'm just happy to get a win at all. Nice. Alright, not bad. $5 bet, 275 bucks. We'll take that all day long.